I've been a songwriter, arranger, and composer for most of my life. My father is a full-time musician, and my home was always full of musical gear, recording equipment, and digital music tools. I've been making music since my childhood. Many of you are familiar with my sound meditation work, where I employ brass and crystal singing bowls, drones, chanting, and other instruments to create soundscapes for healing and meditation purposes. Maybe you've even joined me for one of my live sound events and felt the powerful shift that is possible in body, mind, and spirit through the medium of sound. When I started offering online classes, I realized that any music I was playing in the background for my classes created a copyright issue when posting my videos. To solve this, there are two solutions. Either pay for a subscription to a service that licenses music to video creators, or compose your own music. Guess which solution I picked? Yes, I am composing, arranging, recording, and editing all the music you hear in my philosophical asana classes, behind the scenes, everyday inspirations, and other videos on Patreon. But I'm also designing music with intended purposes like focus, relaxation, and healing. And because music has always been a gateway for me to the mystical, the magical, and spiritual realms, I infuse each piece of music with a specific intention. Each song is like a spell or a prayer that you can use to bring about a certain mood, mindset, or bhav in your life. It is my joy to make and share this music with you. Some is made for asana practice, some for focus while you work. Other songs are designed for meditation, sleep, or motivation. I'm currently in the process of getting the music I make onto iTunes, Spotify, and other hosting and streaming services so you can listen ad-free or download to your device. You can enjoy free downloads as a perk of your Samadhi membership. By paying per download or accessing these tracks through your membership, your money goes toward making more music, acquiring better mics and instruments and recording software, and me continuing to make music. Okay, so maybe you already have a subscription to Spotify or Pandora and can find music that motivates, relaxes, or inspires you. But there's something special about knowing who is making the music you hear. I love the idea of each piece of music as a prayer, as an act of love, as an offering to all of you. So keep practicing, keep listening, keep noticing the music that makes you feel alive. Upgrade your membership to download music created just for you, to use in any way you need to. Find the spells that work. Engage with the sounds of prayers. I make this music with intention so you can listen and practice with intention. Namaste.